Good morning everyone. I am Cyril A. Tumbaga from BSc 1103 and I am here to discuss the different government and private agencies where a criminology graduates can apply. Let's discuss first the government agencies. First, we have here the Bureau of Corrections or the BUCOR.
Criminology graduates works as a prison guards in Bureau of Corrections, so they are the first one who maintains the safety and security of prisoners in jails or prisons. Their vision is a correction systems that promotes a safer community, conforms to international standard, and represents exemplary public service. Their mission is to protect the public and prevent crimes in partnership with its stakeholders by providing persons under custody opportunities for reformation, decent environment, and secure settings.
We also have here the PDEA or the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency.
PDEA is responsible for efficient and effective law enforcement against any dangerous drug. Their vision is to be a professional, effective, and well-respected agency working for a drug-free Philippines. Their mission is to be the lead agency in the enforcement of the anti-drug law, to serve as the principal implementing arm of the DDB, to exercise operational supervision over drug enforcement units of the other law enforcement agencies, and to coordinate the participation of other sectors in the national anti-drug campaign.
The Philippine Coast Guard.
They are the responsible to perform maritime security. Their vision: by 2028, PCG is a world-class guardian of the sea committed to save lives, ensure safe maritime transport, cleaner seas, and secure maritime jurisdiction. Mission: we are a uniform armed service that implements and enforces all national and international maritime safety, security, search and rescue, and marine environmental protection laws in support of the integrated maritime transportation network objectives, national security and economic development of the Philippines.
We also have here the NBI or the National Bureau of Investigation.
Their main objective is the establishment and maintenance of a modern, effective, and efficient investigative service and research agency as what provided under Republic Act No. 157 as amended. Its vision is a world-class investigative institution, dynamic, respected, and committed to the high ideals of law and order. Its mission is to provide quality investigative and forensic services to the people through advanced method and equipment in the pursuit of truth and justice.
The Bureau of Immigration.
They are responsible for the administration and enforcement of immigration, citizenship, and alien admission and registration law in accordance with the provision of the Philippines Immigration Act of 1940. Their mission is to control and regulate the movement of persons to, from, and within our country and contributing to national security and development. Their vision are committed by 2025 to be regionally and internationally recognized as providing excellent, efficient, effective, and innovative immigration service.
Prison Guards.
The new Bilibid prison in Muntinlupa is the main insular penitentiary designed to house the prison population of the Philippines.
The LTO or the Land Transportation Office.
Works as investigator and field inspector or officers in the Land Transportation Office.
We have here the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or the DENR.
Works as forest officers or guards in the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Their mission is to mobilize our citizenry in protecting, conserving, and managing the environment and natural resources for the present and future generations. Their vision: a nation enjoying and sustaining its natural resources and clean and healthy environment.
The Department of Foreign Affairs or the DFA.
Works as document examiners and investigators in the Department of Foreign Affairs. Their mission is to promote and protect Philippine interests in the global community. Their vision, a resilient foreign service for a strong Philippines. The core values of DFA: patriotism, integrity, professionalism, excellence, and service.
Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP.
Works as Security and Investigation Department at the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Their vision is to be recognized globally as the monetary authority and primary financial system supervisors that supports a strong economy and promotes high quality of life for all Filipinos. Their mission is to promote and maintain price stability, a strong financial system, and a safe and efficient payments and settlement system conducive to a sustainable and inclusive growth of the economy.
And now, let's discuss the different private agencies. Instructor or professors in universities, colleges, or schools. Security officers or guards. In-house small investigators. Credit and loan investigators. And last, before I end this discussion, I would like to discuss what agency I want to pursue once I graduated as a criminology student.
I would like to be a part of the PDEA team because we all know that one of the biggest problems here in our country is the increasing number of the usage of illegal drugs.
And there are many cases of illegal shipments of cargos that delivers illegal drugs but no one was held in prison. I would also like to come along with the investigation or buy-bust operation to entrap the individuals who are using or buying illegal drugs.
Once again, I am Cyril Tumbaga from BSc 1103. Thank you.